Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be tackling a geometry problem. Specifically, we are going to be looking at three-sided figures and figuring out which of the three-sided figures cannot be a valid triangle. To solve this question, we are going to use the triangle inequality theorem, which says that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the length of the third side. So using the triangle inequality theorem, let's check answer choice A if it meets the inequality theorem. So if we take the side 3 and the side 13, if we add up together, we get 16. 16 is greater than the side 14. Similarly, if we take the side 14 and the side 13 add up together, we get 27, which is greater than the side 3. It therefore meets the inequality theorem. If we go to answer choice B, the side 4 and the side 10 added up together, we get 14, which is less than the side 16. Therefore, clearly, answer choice B does not meet the requirement of triangle inequality theorem. If we proceed to answer choice C, the side 4 and the side 12 added up together, we get 16, which is greater than the side 14. Also, the side 14 and the side 4 added up together, we get 18, which is greater than the side 12. Therefore, answer choice C meets the triangle inequality theorem. Answer choice D, the side 8 and the side 10 added together is 18, which is greater than 12. Also, the side 10 and the side 12 added up together is 22, which is greater than 8. Therefore, it again meets the triangle inequality theorem. Finally, answer choice E, 9 and 10 added together is 19, which is greater than 11. Similarly, 11 and 9 added together is 20, which is greater than the side 10. Also, E meets the triangle inequality theorem. Therefore, the sides of the triangle that cannot be the length of the three sides of T is answer choice B.